Magandang buhay sa lahat. Liza Soberano, back to Manila. Excited ang mga fans na masilayan si Liza Soberano. This is the chance to see her in person. Kasama niya dito ang The Forgotten Island cast and filmmakers are headed to Manila for the Tayo Na, Philippines celebration on August 25, 7 p.m. Don't miss to see Liza Soberano in the flesh. Samantala, Liza Soberano reunited with her fave mamas, Nikki C. and Renz Pangilinan. Liza Soberano spotted with her glam team in Manila for an endorsement shoot. May bagong endorsement shoot muli si Liza Soberano sa Pilipinas na dapat nating aabangan. Ganito talaga ka-busy ang beauty ng nag-iisang Liza Soberano. Spotted din siya with her friends while walking. Ating panoorin guys.
Sorry lang ang kaya mong sabihin. Lumipas ang taon, hirap pa ring bigkasin ang sorry. Patawad ang kaya mong sabihin.